So in 2017, I broke my own rule of one large trade and added a second one. And I want to thank you so much, Stephen. We obviously coordinated this. It's called the party trade because its sole purpose is to have fun. All of the profits of this trade after taxes have to be spent on something fun. It can't be spent on groceries or bills or clothes. It has to be spent partying. And oddly enough, I found that having a reward at the end of each trade made a huge difference in my mental state. So now trading is pleasant instead of being something I had to do. And at the end, when I closed the trade, we got to figure out what to do. And that was great. We did some really amazing places, went to some really amazing places, did some crazy expensive stuff that I normally wouldn't have done, and I had some fabulous meals. Because I found, and my big takeaway, and my big thing for all the new traders, at the end of the day, it's not about how much money you rack up, it's about the experiences you rack up.